scientific method refers to a body of techniques for investigating phenomena, acquiring new knowledge, or correcting and integrating previous knowledge. To be termed scientific, a method of inquiry must be based on gathering empirical and measurable evidence subject to specific principles of reasoning. The scientific method is a method of procedure that has characterized natural science since the 17th century, consisting in systematic observation, measurement, and experiment, and the formulation, testing, and modification of hypotheses. This is the project related to my scientific method, germination of a seed. Students will be able to utilize the given materials into segments in order to perform a controlled experience to test the following hypothesis. Do seeds germinate faster if NaCl or table salt is added to the water? Students will be able to follow written instruction step by step to predict outcome of experience, to write a conclusion following given guidelines, to practice their speaking skills when they reflect aloud on their prediction. The standards used are analysis, inquiry, prediction, design. The central purpose of scientific inquiry is to develop explanations of phenomena in a continuing creative process. Students need seeds, water, goggles. Students need seeds, water, goggles, gloves, aprons, pipettes, salt, gauge, pure water, Petri dishes. Assessment can be individual, group, written, and oral. 1. Ask the student to explain the validation process in their own words. 2. Ask the student to use their prior knowledge to identify the new concepts learned. 3. Ask the student to compare and contrast terms. 4. Ask the student to summarize the new concept learned. 5. Ask the student to form a hypothesis. 6. Ask the student to verify their own prediction. 7. Ask the student to check on the seed germination on a daily basis for 5 days. 8. Ask the student to record the number of seeds germinated on the 5th day. 9. Ask the student to analyze their data and confirm their hypothesis with a written conclusion. 10. Ask the student how they would improve their experiment. The key vocabulary word to review are variable, conclusion, control group, hypothesis, germination, experimental group. The steps and different segments of the scientific method will be reviewed as they were taught before performing the experiment. The key concept: why is it necessary to have a control group in order for an experiment to be valid?